In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Epson L3212 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to bring up your Google Chrome. Once you have bring it up, please proceed to the search bar here and type for Epson L3212 and then hit the enter key so that you would be navigated to the result. So here you can find a list of results. Please proceed to Epson L3210 because Epson L3210 is working well for Epson L3212. Okay, so you might be confused. Okay, that's exactly the same because again, Epson L3210 works well with Epson L3212, which is our printer driver. So here you can see a window like this, which is where you can see a printer driver. Okay, click on this down arrow key and select your operating system and click on go. And just have to wait again until you can get an option where you can download your printer driver. Click on downloads to refresh the page. Okay, and please wait until you can get an option as what I have said earlier, the printer driver. Okay, so once it's here, scroll down on the list, proceed to drivers, and click on the printer driver. Okay, so once you have clicked on it, kindly wait until it would be downloaded, or before that, you can get an option or a window where it asks you to agree in the license agreement. Click on accept, and eventually it will now start on the downloading process. Once done, click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So from here, you need to make a right click and go with the cat icon. Once done, close the window. Okay, and as well as this one. And here at the desktop, please make a right click and click on paste. So the next thing that we need to do is we need to extract it, or you can, and in that way you can double tap to extract or unzip the file, or you can simply make a right click and use the WinRAR tool to extract this application or file. So go with extract to, and please wait until a new file folder would be created, and that would mean that we have successfully extracted it. Once here, please navigate to the start icon at the bottom, make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. Okay, so here at the settings, navigate directly to the left side of that where you can see a list of the option. Please locate with the option called Bluetooth and devices. And here at the Bluetooth and devices, please proceed with printers and scanners and choose for add device. Click on it and kindly wait until you can get an option where you can manually add your printer driver. Once it's here, click on add manually. In this kind of window, please choose for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings and click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this through USB port and click on next. Once you're good, click on have disk and click on browse. And since our extracted file has been placed at the desktop, then we need to navigate to the desktop, click on it. And from here, please scroll down on the list and please choose for this one, double tapped, and it will show you the driver. Select any of this function similarly, so no worries for that. Click on OK, and eventually it would be placed here. Click on next, and please rename that into Epson L3212. Then click on next and it will now start in the installations. All you need to do is you need to wait until this would be finished. Okay, so once done, click on next and go with finished. And there you have that. You have just successfully installed Epson L3212 printer series in Windows 11 PC or window, and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.